man. Certificate of authentication, man. You feel me? Yeah. You know, this is real art right here. Museum quality art. You feel me? Out in Arizona, the Hopi people. Hey, you know, I purchased this piece and represent it with the utmost respect. You feel me? And this is, you know, their eagle tribal dancer statue. It's humongous, man. You feel me? I bought it out in Arizona, taking it back to my house, you know. It's one of my artifacts. Museum quality piece. Let me set him right there, let y'all get the full effect, man. You feel me? The garbage can out the back. Real eagle feathers, the whole shit. Look at him dance in the wind. And this is how they used to teach their stories and stuff. They didn't have television, so they would dress up and teach stories about the lands, the animals, and just how to be a better person through these stories. You know, and I got this out of the Museum of Indigenous People out here in Arizona. If you ever out here, check it out. Learned a lot. But yeah, we about to go make sure this wrap up and make it back to California in perfect condition. Yeah, man, I just want to show y'all, you know, I always like to unbox and, you know, show y'all my collections, my artifacts. Yeah, this was made by a real Native American indigenous to the Hopi